Introducing the OPPO A31 in lake green color. The phone is powered by the 2.3 GHz MediaTek P356765 octa-core processor. It is also available in fantasy white and mystery black shades. In addition, it is also available in a 6 GB RAM size variant. It has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB inbuilt memory with 256 GB expandable storage. The device allows for dual SIM functionality with 4G support. It sports a 6.5-inch water drop screen display with 89% screen-to-body ratio and 1600 by 720 resolution with 269 ppi density. The OPPO A31 features a 12+2+2 megapixels triple rear camera and an 8 megapixels front camera. It operates on the ColorOS 6.1 operating system based on the Android version 9. The phone is powered by a 4230 mAh lithium polymer battery. It measures 16.4 by 0.8 by 7.6 centimeters and weighs 180 grams. The box includes a handset, USB cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector and protective case, warranty card and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking.
Hello friends, in this video I'll show you the gaming performance of OPPO A31. So let's start with the graphics settings. Let's tab here. Now go into the audio and graphics. Here you can see in the graphic quality we have only low option, and in frame rates low, medium and high options. We will play on low graphics and high frame rate, so you will get 30 FPS from this phone. Now let's start the game. Let me tell you, this phone has 4 GB RAM and MediaTek Helio P35 processor, which works on 12nm fabrication. Coming to the gaming experience, you get smooth performance from the phone, and 6.5-inch IPS LCD display has good touch response. During the long gaming sessions, you get a decent frame rate and good graphics details. The 4230 mAh battery will also help you for your long gaming sessions. So all in all, the gaming performance of OPPO A31 is up to the mark, and you will enjoy your gaming on this device.